everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We have Jaden here. He wants to be like me, so we're gonna do...
I'm getting in and out for this.
Yeah, so I tested it out on myself first, and then I got some people messaging me saying, oh, you should do a tutorial on it. Okay, just one person, but it's okay. It's okay. Instead of washing it all off and doing it again,
I'm getting 10 bucks.
I thought it would be a good idea. You're working right now. You better let me do what I want. I thought it would be a good idea to just show you how to do it on the only person who looks closest to me. You're lucky. Jaden, are you ready?
Let's just get this over with.
All right. See ya on the flip side. All right, first things first, we gotta cleanse the face because who knows the last time this boy washed his face. All right, so we're using Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the sensitive one. Why are you squinting already?
It hurts.
It doesn't hurt. We got tone, and this is the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner for oily, nasty ass skin, aka Jaden. Next, we're gonna moisturize using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer.
Oh, it's cold.
Go in to the brows. So we are using the Morphe brow pencil. Damn, your eyebrows are hella big. Damn, look at those brows though. Look at it. So I'm gonna use the Glossier Stretch Concealer to carve out his brows and mask. Brows are did, brows are did. Some brow gel in here.
Brow gel? Like hair gel for brows?
That was the Glossier Boy Brow in brown. Next we are going to prime the skin, and we're going to use the Hourglass number 28 primer serum. This is my favorite primer. And so we're gonna go ahead and take the new L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 485 Golden Sun. So we're gonna just dot this all over your face. Damn, my color's light for you. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more in where we need more coverage. We're gonna be using the new Morphe X James Charles palette. So we're going to take first a Morphe M535, and we're gonna dip that into the color Skip, which is a hot pink color, and we're gonna use that as our transition. Next, we are going to take a smaller brush, but still a fluffy blending brush. We're going to use a Morphe M505, and we're going to dip that into Love That and Single, just mixing the two shades, and we're going to place that on the outer part of the eye, but still into the crease. I'm going to go ahead and go back to that same brush that I started with, and then I'm going to go add the color right back into the crease. And so for the lid, I went ahead and took Pinkity Crinkity, which is like a pale pink shade, and we're gonna pack this all onto the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and go into Artistry, which is it is like a pinkish purple glitter, and we're gonna pat that onto the lid using our finger. Go ahead and go back to that big fluffy brush that I started with, back into the hot pink and glaze over it again, just to make sure that pink is still apparent. To intensify that glitter color, I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Mario Badescu Rose Spray onto my finger, just a small little spritz. And go back into Artistry and put that back onto the lid. And so now we're gonna go ahead and take a really tiny Morphe blending brush, the M506, so it's a smaller blending brush. And I'm gonna take this with Single and Love That, the two darker colors we use in the crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this to deepen up the outer V. I like to do this once I have the lid shade on, just so that we make sure that it doesn't cover up that. Go ahead and take a clean-ish blending brush. This is a Wet n Wild P20. And I'm gonna go ahead and go back into Skip, that hot pink shade, and graze all over everything that I just did. Alright, and that eye is done. We're gonna go ahead and do the other eye on camera. Alright, so we've finished the eyes, and now we're gonna go ahead and clean everything up with concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 255. Using the Lancome Long Time No Shine Loose Powder. We're gonna bake under the eyes. Just to make sure the concealer is set.
What are we baking?
Your under eyes. Gonna go ahead and go into my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Pressed Powder, and we're gonna powder the rest of the face and then dust off the bake. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. So now we're gonna go ahead and contour the face. We're gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep. And with a more fluffy brush, we're going to take the same bronzer and take it into the forehead to just make the forehead look more contoured and smaller. And then onto the chin for more defined jawbone. We're gonna keep it all pink and pretty, and we're gonna use the Wet n Wild Baked Blush in Dare to Soar, and it's like a pinky purple. So we're gonna take that onto a Wet n Wild blush brush, put that onto the apples of cheeks. We're gonna take the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Bloom Time, and it's a pretty pink gold highlight. And we're going to take it onto the nose bridge, down the nose, tip of the nose, the lip, and then the chin, and then we're going to take a little bit onto the forehead. You look snatched for real though. Alright, so we're done with all the face stuff, and so we're gonna go ahead and set the face. Close your eyes. Alright, and now we're gonna go ahead and go into lashes.
Oh, like at raves, you know, when the girls like
Yes.
oh yeah.
Just to get the tip so it's dang, you know, thick ass lashes, bro. Alright, so we went went ahead and just started it off with a coat of mascara.
I feel like I have crust in my eyes. It's mascara.
Now we're gonna go ahead and take the Ardell Faux Mink 811s.
Yikes. I looked how I looked.
Don't look at yourself yet. Everything looks better with lashes. You're gonna be a bad bitch. You're gonna look exactly like me. So we went ahead and added the lashes off camera. Can you look down real quick, Jaden? Oh my, okay.
I don't know.
Add a hydrating lip gloss. This is the Morphe lip gloss in Flower Crown.
Can I peel these off?
Not yet. Like this? All right. And
This is gross.
that is the finished look.
Really? I'm finally done?
Oh my god, your face.
Ugh. Stinky.
Oh my god, if you block the mustache, you look like me. Like bad bitch. What makes you feel like a bad bitch?
Nothing.
I like my hair. She
thanks.
thinks.
Just got it. This feels like absolute ass.
What do you think?
Absolute
Leave it
ass.
in the comment below. Are we twinning or not?
Nah.
Actually identical twins, if you ask me.
No.
I'm just the blonde one. Thank you for joining us on this video, Jaden. I hope it was worth it for you.
I got 10 bucks.
To realize how beautiful you look, because you look like me.
Yuck.
See you on the next one. Bye. We have a special guest with us. We have my ugly brother.
I'm not ugly.
Ugly. It's dying? Is that what you said? Go ahead. Too long.
Can I taste it?
I don't know if these have taste. Ew, you licked my brush! Ew, what do I do?
Gross.
Yuck. Enjoyed this video. I hope you like Tatiana Grande over here.
Yeah.